just how fresh are the eggs that you buy at the store. I'm going to go over a little bit of some stuff I've learned over the years, and we're going to talk about the difference between this and the ones that I sell here on the farm. So this is a sample. Now this is empty, so I picked this up at the recycle, and this is just a regular old great value Walmart eggs. And how old are these when you get them? I mean, how fresh are they? And that could be anywhere from 2 to 3 months old when you get them, and then you got another 4 weeks past the sell-by date. So you could be getting a 3 to 4 month old egg. And the farmer, when he harvests his egg, has 45 days to get it into a carton. Once he gets it into a carton, they have another, I think, 45 days to sell by. So that's 90 days. And then the USDA says that you can keep it in the refrigerator for 4 weeks past the sell date. So take it for what it's worth. When you buy this egg at this dozen eggs at the store, you're looking at least 60 to 90 day old egg. And a little trick I've learned through the years is there's a date code on this. You see that 2222? That is the date that egg was put into this carton. And so that's the day of the year. So I looked it up. I've got a chart here, and the 222nd day of the year is August the 10th. So this is packaged in this carton August the 10th, and then the sale date is September 22nd. So that's like, 6 weeks, 45 days or so. And that right there tells you just how old this egg is, or how old these eggs could be. So keep that in mind. You go, and I don't know what they sell for now. I think they're about $3 a dozen for a regular white egg, and I'm selling mine for $3 a dozen. Well, what's the difference? What's the big deal? What's your point? This egg right here, I just went down and did my chores. I got 3 dozen eggs. Here's one, just laid today. This will be on somebody's counter tomorrow. Every egg I get sells like within a day or two. So at the most, I'm probably only sold week-old eggs. So that's a big difference between a 2-day-old egg and a 90-day-old egg. So my point is, find you a local farmer that sells good eggs and buy his egg. You'll be a lot happier with the flavor. The flavors between this egg and this egg is night and day. The way the yolk is between this egg and this egg is night and day. I've actually got a video on the difference between the yolks. We raised ours pasture raised, so we got a little better yolk than even somebody just raised them in a pen out in the country. So we move ours every day. I got lots of videos on that. Go back and watch. But my point is, if you want some really good food, find you a local farmer that raises some good hens. Got some good hens, takes care of them. There's a great egg, and buy from him. You don't have to buy from me. I've got lots of customers, but I'm just telling you, this egg is a far superior, just in freshness, than this egg, even though they're the same price. I appreciate you watching. I got more videos. Go over and check them out. I got videos on eggs, chickens, egg mobiles, everything. Go over and check them out. Hit that subscribe button. Give me the thumbs up. Support your local farmer, and we'll see you down here on the farm in the next video.